Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel again, and in this I'll be showing you guys how to create a simple Christmas poster using Photoshop. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. So without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to create a new document, so the size is 706 by 864. Yeah, so we're going to just resize it just like that. So I'm going to bring in the first background image. This background image, I'm going to resize it. Going to resize it like this. So let's go to filter, blur, the motion blur. We set the distance to 267. So bring in our main image we want to use. The resources will be available in the description. So I'm going to centralize it. Then after, we'll change layer mode to screen. And then after that, we'll add some contrast to it. Then we'll add the layer mask to blend it. We'll set our brush tool just to blend the parts that may still be showing on the edges. So after doing that, let me say, so we're going to bring in this image here. I'm going to resize it and shift it to the left corner there at the top. Then we'll change the layer mode to color judge, add. Then we'll add layer marks. Then we'll blend it. Let the brush to what's that? Okay, flow. I think the flow of the brush is too low, so I'm going to increase it. It's better now. So after that, I'm going to write our text. Write the text. Merry Christmas. I'm going to share the font also to you. To be in the description also the font. So Christmas. So I'm going to resize it. Centralize it. I'm going to centralize it just like that. Then we'll duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J to write Merry Christmas, like Merry Christmas. Resize it. Now we centralize it also. Now shift it up just like this. So we're going to pick the two together and centralize both very well. Okay, we should just reduce the size of the text a bit. Just increase it small. Then centralize again. So I'm going to add like a snow effect. to the design. So we're going to resize it, then change the layer mode to screen. Yeah, then add layer marks, then the places that we don't need the snow effects, we're going to use our brush tool to clear them away, like that, like this. Yeah, I think that's okay. Yes, need to brush. Yeah, so that's okay. Okay, yeah, I think, yeah, let me see. Yeah, we're going to add contrast to the image, to the snow effect image. Yes, just like that. And so that's how to create a simple Christmas flyer using Photoshop. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you.